The milk candy production line is a marvel of modern manufacturing, turning simple ingredients into a delicious treat loved by all ages. From the careful selection of high-quality milk to the precise cooking and molding processes, each step ensures that the final product is creamy, sweet, and irresistible. With advanced machinery and technology, the production line efficiently mixes milk, sugar, and other ingredients, followed by controlled heating, cooling, and shaping. The result is a smooth, melt-in-your-mouth candy that retains the rich, natural flavor of milk. The future of milk candy production is brighter than ever, offering even more variety and flavor options for candy lovers worldwide.